So before the video starts, I just wanted to have a quick chat with you guys. So I just wanted to share some things because I'm running a little late on my Vlogmas schedule, and I've shared the reasons behind that on my Instagram ID. So if you're not following me there, make sure you're following me there because I share a lot of things about why my videos are getting delayed, if they get delayed, or other things related to my personal life. So you will be the first people to know about it. But yeah, I was not like a little well one day in between, so that is why there is a lag in this schedule. But I'll be trying my best to get the videos done on time from now. But yeah, now you can just enjoy this video. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 17. It's December 13th and it's 7 p.m. right now. I tried my best since morning that I should come on camera, make something, do something, but I was not feeling that well and I didn't have the energy to come on camera, shoot things. I tried shooting something right now, but again didn't happen. So I felt rather than making not up to the mark content, I should just take a break for today, and hopefully tomorrow I can start working on things again. My scrapbook is also not done, like it is done that 40% kind of a thing only, and I'll start working from tomorrow and I'll see you guys tomorrow itself. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome to day 18 of Vlogmas 2020. It's December 14th right now and it's 6 p.m. and I had my classes in the morning, and I'm feeling a better now, but yeah, like it's okay, and I have 2 submissions that I have to do, so I know I'll not be able to share some Christmassy things today. So again, this will be combined with tomorrow's video, that is December 15th. And today I just got free from the classes and I shot one IG reel today, and that will be posted on my Instagram soon. Apart from that, now I have to complete the assignments. One is a PowerPoint presentation that will happen tomorrow, but I have to prepare the slides, and the second is a report kind of assignment, and that has to be submitted by tonight, so I have to work on that as well. And I have to work on a new blog post as well, which will go live tomorrow. So I'll catch up with you guys after I am done with my blog, and then yeah, I'll have a quick chat with you after that. So the blog post is ready and it will go live tomorrow. I'll leave a link to this blog post in my description box below, so you can go check that out and show some love there. And now I'll just go complete my assignments and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it's day 19 of Vlogmas 2020. I am so glad that we made it till here. But yeah, it's day 19 and it's 15th of December. I am feeling much better today, and I hope you all are doing good. Today in the morning I gave my presentation, that is done. 2 more assignments done. Good, that's really good. And then I worked on the scrapbook for a while, so a bit of it is done and I'll complete it by tomorrow for sure. I have to actually. And for today's video I am going to show you some Christmas ornaments, popsicle ornaments, and these will be really fun for the kids to make. And there is like no time when you can add some more ornaments on your Christmas trees. So yes, we will be making some Christmas ornaments, and this will be really fun for the kids. So yes, I'll just take a break for some time, show you the glimpse of the scrapbook, and then we'll get on to our Christmas ornaments. So guys, this is the scrapbook. It is still not complete yet. I have to paste the elements. Currently I have just finalized the alignment of all the elements and the designs that I have to go on respective pages, and I'll be completing it by tomorrow. and then you can see the completed scrapbook super soon, and I'll let you know if I directly upload it on Instagram or I upload it here as well. So guys, we are finally here making the DIY ornaments, and I have some popsicle sticks here with me. I painted them last night itself, and yeah, like there was nothing much to show you guys in while I paint these. So yeah, I have painted these. You can also buy the pre-painted ones, so you can go for that as well. And I'll show you few ideas how you can go around making your popsicle ornaments. So for the first idea, you need 3 of these green sticks, and we'll be making a triangle like this. So I'll just grab my glue. My desk is quite messy right now. I just pushed away all the things. It's messy because of the scrapbook, but yeah, I found my glue. So I'll just start by pasting this one. So I'm going to show you some different ideas in which you can make these. Just aligning. So basically we have to make a triangle from this, and this will make our Christmas tree, the triangle shape. So I'll just keep this aside to dry for some time. Now for the next idea, I'll be taking 2 sticks of same color and I'll be dividing them into half. So I am just eyeballing this. Now you just have to make a square from these ones, like so. Give it a square shape like this. So once it's dry and set, take another ice cream stick of a different color and just place it in the center like so, and mark the extra edges from top and bottom. Make sure you're using the center part only for this, because we will be needing these 2 ends later. So for the next idea, I took 4 ice cream sticks. I don't know why my camera just went off, but I took 4 ice cream sticks and I attached 2 together like this, like I placed, I'll show you. So I took 1 ice cream stick and placed it on top of the other, like the 1 and 2 in the center, and I made 2 pairs. And then I'll just grab my glue stick, place some glue here in the center, and then I'll take this one and place it over this and let it sit for some time. For the next idea, I have 3 sticks of same color and I'll divide all the 3 into half. Now we'll make a Christmas wreath out of this. So how we have to place it is like 2 like this, and then just go ahead and paste these together. Now once I've pasted it, I'll keep it aside to dry for some time. Working on the last design, and for that I'm taking this stick here and I'll place the ice cream sticks on this, and I'll trim these ones first. So I don't have to trim this from the center, but I'll trim this. So what I have done is, for this one I have cut out this portion, so it is shorter than this, and this will make the top part. And for the next one I have trimmed this down a bit shorter than this one. So it will go like this and make our Christmas tree. Now you can also color this part with brown or leave it as it is. I am leaving it as it is, and now I have some work to do, so I'll complete that first, and then we'll just decorate this and attach the ribbons at the back side so that they can be hanged on the Christmas tree easily. Hi guys, I am back and I added the ribbons to the back off screen, and now I'm just going to go ahead and decorate these. Now you can decorate these in any way that you like, and there are no foundations on that. So I've added the popsicle ornaments on my Christmas tree and they look really pretty here. Do let me know in the comment section below which one of these was your favorite. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like to see in the upcoming Vlogmas series. And overall as well on my channel, I would love to know what kind of videos you would like to see after this Vlogmas ends. And yes, this was pretty much it for today. Now I'll just go edit this video, and I'm really sorry if this video gets a little longer while editing because I have combined 3 days together. So I don't know how it will go, but I'll try to keep it short. And yeah, this was pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.